I think is something of a consensus among New Testament scholars today that what made Jesus different is that he came on the scene with an unprecedented sense of divine authority, with the authority to stand and speak in God's place on matters belonging properly only to God. And that's why he was eventually condemned by the Jewish Sanhedrin for blasphemy and then delivered for execution over to the Romans on the charge of treason. And so it is these allegedly blasphemous personal claims whereby Jesus arrogated to himself prerogatives belonging only to God that sets him apart from other religious teachers and figures.